What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? We tuning in for another video, man. So today we at Shadyside Dragway, man. So I'm giving y'all the intro in the hotel before we take off and all of that. So we're gonna hit Shadyside, and you know we about to get some good footage in. I might get a little bit of footage, but I was like, I'm gonna shoot this vlog, and I'm also gonna put the clip in there where I can show y'all where Big Meech motor came from. Cause I saw the comments in the last vlog, and I'm like, man, I forgot to put the clip in there. I seen that, I said, man, I forgot to put the clip in there when I got the first notification, but I was like, it's too late. Did about the second or third time I forgot to put the clip in there. So, man, I ain't gonna hold y'all up too long on the intro, cause we got to get going. I got to get my bag and all that, and we got to get up out of here and get to the track. So I'm gonna catch y'all in a minute. All right, y'all, we checking in, man. We down here at Shadyside Dragway, man. I told y'all I'm gonna be at Shelby, North Carolina today. This net linked up with one of my people. Every time I come down here, man, we always link up, whatever. So, hey, we got to show us a love, cause he just reminded me. He said, still ain't got around to it yet, man. I said, I ain't gonna lie, I don't know what happened to the card.
Got all about it, man.
Nah, I ain't forget about it. I forgot. But the card though. But go ahead and tell him, cause he done showed me it work too, man. He do some sick work. Audio.
D&D Audio, one of the upstate best car audio installers in the business, man. I ain't got no YouTube, but you can find me on Instagram at D&D Audio or Dan Trail Die, and Facebook D&D Audio.
Yeah.
Dan Trail Die.
We got it on the card right there too. If folks y'all zoom in on it, it's Instagram D&D_audio_ LLC. So y'all go check him out.
One of the best in the upstate, man.
Hey, he get down.
And I'm also mobile, so you ain't got to pull up at no shop and wait. I can come to you.
I say he'll pull up on you.
Yeah, I'll pull up on you.
And he good, y'all. He is good. I ain't gonna tell y'all no lie, cause I saw a bunch of work, man. It was last year, wasn't it?
Yeah,
last year we down here. Yeah, he showed me a whole lot of his stuff. He official. And y'all know I don't I ain't gonna put just anybody on my camera just cause they say, hey, show some love. I ain't gonna do that, man. I wanna send y'all good people, cause end of the day, it's my face on it too. You know, y'all going based on the trust of me or whatever, or what y'all see. So y'all get at him, man. Like, especially if you're in the area, like, get at him.
Yeah,
be the truth.
Most definitely.
So y'all, I'm gonna get ready to see some racing a little bit. I'm probably gonna put y'all two vlogs together, cause I'm gonna vlog a little bit down here, and then we're gonna be a head on the Dragway tomorrow, so y'all can see that too. So y'all stay tuned. All right, y'all, we checking in, man. Let me zoom y'all out. I got the other lens on here. Like I said, we down here at Shadyside, man. About to go down Buck Floyd, Boxzilla race. We got Boost out and Boxzilla going down today. Got the Shadyside Outlaw and some more stuff. They doing TNT right now, so you know, it's just a little something, few past here and there. Said might try to get a few of the races on camera for y'all today. Give y'all some entertainment, man, cause these guys, they turn up down here. They'll turn up down here, man. And I need to get with my boy JT and Rod, them bad box Chevys. I ain't put my eyes on them yet, so you know. I wanna show y'all them, show them some love. They got some bad cars too, so whenever I see them, if I get time, don't get the roller too tough, we'll go check them out and all that. So we'll catch y'all in a minute. Y'all stay tuned. Alright, y'all, we checking back in, man. Back at the hotel, man. Long day. I ain't put that many clips in there, like I said, just shouting people out and all that. And you know, I'm just closing this thing out. Like I said, it ain't the longest, most exciting vlog, but I was thinking about it. I said, man, I meant to get to y'all early in the vlog, but like I said, I meant to put the clip in there to show y'all where Big Meech engine came from. So that's what I'm about to do right now. So I want y'all to check the clip out, man. The flamethrower. This is the exact motor that's in that Big Meech right now. So y'all check that out. Alright, so finally y'all saw the clip. So that engine y'all saw in the vlog yesterday, and the engine y'all saw Meech put in there, that's it. That's the one right there. And like I said, man, you can let your mind wander on what it run, or what it ran, I should say. And then, like I said, it was on the 300. It was on the 300 shot of nitro. Really just babying the motor and stuff. People can say, well, why the flame hanging out? Hey, man, trust me, it was on the 300 worth of nitrous. It was on the 3/2. I say that it was on the 3/2. It definitely wasn't no 100 nothing throwing the flame like that. But still, that ain't anyway. But that's the engine, man. That's the engine that's sitting in that car. So, like I said, it is not a straight pump gas motor. I said that in the beginning. It's not a straight pump gas motor. I can mix it 93 and mix it down with probably like 114 octane, and I can drive wherever I want to drive. So that's what it is. But like I said, all in all, it was a good day at the track, man. Buck Wild Fest. Got a shout out to Buck Floyd. There was a nice event. Got a grudge race went off. Sugar, which is Buck Floyd's wife, she got a white Malibu. Christy, shout out to Christy. That's a bad machine. Buck Floyd and Boxzilla, which is Buck Floyd, Boxzilla and Boost Doctor was supposed to race. That was the headline race. But he had problems. Boxzilla had some issues with the engine. He made a shakedown with busting up and all type of stuff. So he had some issues. So to make sure they give the fans a show, Christy stepped in with her car, the Malibu Sugar, and shout out to her for stepping up to give the fans a show. And shout out to my fan Boost Doctor for giving the people a show too. Cause like I said, you know, Boost Doctor got a true street car, and Sugar is a race car, but it was still to give them a show. You know, it was a G-Body versus box Chevy. But that's what I like. That's what drag racing about, man. When it ain't that serious, you got two good parties or two good people have a good time. It ain't that serious. It wasn't all that complaining. It was like, hey, we'll do it. This and that. It wasn't no jump talk afterwards and this and that. And it was just a good time, man. The fans enjoyed it. It was a good show. Got to shout out to both of them. I got some good footage, man. Back at it again tomorrow, which is today. Y'all looking at today. So y'all looking at this today. I have already left North Carolina, and I am now back in Georgia and at Headhunters Dragway. Right now at Edenton, Georgia at Shut Up and Race. It was the Shut Up and Race banquet going on today. Y'all looking at this on Sunday. And yeah, what's going on, man. So like I said, all in all, good day, man. Good time, good event. Let's see where we at. I give y'all some good little minutes, man. I make sure. But all in all, just it was a good day. It was a good day, man. It was a good event. Enjoyed myself. I left the shirts. I shout out to everybody I met out here today, tonight. I left the shirts, man. Everybody asked for shirts. I had some. I left the box in Wifey Escalade, cause we wasn't going that, and I left it in there. I ain't never get it out, so it just, I got y'all next time. So next, what we got coming up this week is I might take Big Dolo to the track. I might take Big Dolo to the track this week, man, cause now I'm kind of missing it. But then Brown Coat coming back this week too. Brown Coat coming back this week, so I'm gonna be torn between Brown Coat and Dolo. Cause I done got my playtime out with R&B and John Jones. I'm trying to switch on and off. I gotta go ahead and fix R&B, fix the ignition problem. I seen the comments, people saying it's flooded. Somebody said it's flooded. I can't remember, somebody else. It wasn't flooded. It was not flooded out. Cause I came out the next day. It's not firing. It's not firing at all. If it was flooded, it would still attempt to crank. But that ain't what it's doing. It's not getting no spark at all. So I figured that out in one day. I would literally figure that out in one day. That's why I ain't been sweating. I got to get John Jones over to Lawless to check the fans out. I'm not tracing that down. I ain't fooling with that. And what else? The F-150, the Coyote. The L-150 will be back home soon too. I'll tell you, I got 3 things working, man. I've been working. L-150 will be back home very soon. Got an update from Jesse over at Lawless. I held it back this month. So we had the L-150 back. Brown coat coming back this week. This week gonna be an exciting week. I might take Big Dolo to the track this week again. And forget it, let it hang. Wifey car is at home. Wifey car is at home, so it's done. It's painted. She gonna do a video on her channel. Y'all gonna see it. I think she gonna surprise her aunt too and show her aunt, get her aunt reaction. They're gonna be her first time seeing the car. That car been wrecked a long time, but it's at home, man. Shout out to Brady. Don't Panic Customs. He dropped it off yesterday. Well, today technically it's Sunday, cause it's after 12. But we're gonna say today, Saturday. He dropped it off today, which I shot this on Saturday, so yesterday for y'all. But it's at the house. Wifey has not seen the car in person either since it been painted. So this gonna be her first time seeing it in person. This gonna be your first time seeing it. So she gonna debut it on her channel. Y'all gonna wanna see that thing too. Y'all gonna wanna see it. And keep in mind, got to throw the wheels on it. Which she gonna get some wheels, like we gonna put something on it like before the month out. I ain't mean big wheel. We're gonna put some rallies on it. She gonna want some rallies for now. And gonna get the new windshield put in. So keep in mind that ain't done. Or she can make y'all wait, but I think she said she gonna shoot y'all a video. So that's at the house. Y'all got that to look forward to on her channel. Brown coat coming back. I'm gonna debut brown coat with the new look. And all of that. And we're gonna be back on the track and stuff with it. Then we got like I said, I might take Dolo to the track too. So that's what y'all got coming up. So I got work to do, man. I got to get this stuff. I got to get that video edited and get everything put up, cause we gotta hit the road in the morning. Get back, cause I got another track to go to. And all of that. So that's it, y'all. Appreciate y'all. BCG. We out.